Master Splinter. Perhaps you'd like to try some pizza. It's marshmallow and pepperoni.
Hello, welcome back to Kirk Kooks. It's Pizza Wednesday again. However, this one today, I don't think it's going to be too bad. This pizza is from episode 29, April Fool. And the topping is pepperoni and marshmallow. First thing we want is a tomato sauce.
Then let's have some pepperoni. Then I've got some of these little pink and white marshmallows. Start sprinkling these all over. Then we just want a bit of mozzarella. And that is now ready to go in. And with that pepperoni and marshmallow pizza could come out. It doesn't actually look too bad. Marshmallows have melted and crisped up.
It tastes like a pepperoni pizza with just melted marshmallows on, but you can really taste the melted marshmallow. It's not just mild, it's quite a strong taste actually that's on this. I thought it'd actually just give it a little bit of a background sweetness, but it's not. The marshmallow taste is actually quite overpowering.